Hi there, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make up these beautiful little gift bags. So we've got the small gift bag here, which has been printed from the festive section on your fabulous giftware, and this is the medium gift bag, and you can see in both instances that they've got that beautiful scoring detail on the inside there, and you're able to create a very professional looking gift bag. And doesn't it always make, whatever the gift inside, honestly, doesn't it always make it just so gorgeous to have a nice gift bag? So this one that I'm chosen to do, it's the medium gift bag. This particular one is from collection 10, and the bags are on disc 1. If you want to just click and print them. So again, you'll be able to see that we've got everywhere where it says to put the double-sided tape on, to score your valley, your mountains and your cut lines, and again exactly the same on here. What I would say to you is to put your double-sided tape onto your printout, I'll find the edge of it, onto your printout before you actually cut it. This really does make such a difference, because you can see I've been able to go right over the edges, but when I cut that, it's going to give me a nice neat line on my double-sided tape. So again, just something. Scoring again, very important. Always do that first before you cut it out. Right, to get to the construction of it, I've already cut them out. I've already scored everywhere that excuse me, that it tells me to. And you can see I've got the double-sided tape, which again is very neat because I've placed that on before I've actually cut that out. So then it's simply a question of folding down all of your score lines. Now on the front section, you'll see that to create this fold, this pleat, you just gently persuade that into the triangle part on here and then on the inside. So again, exactly the same with this. Fold all of your score lines, and this is obviously constructed on a good quality card to be able to house your gift. So I'm just persuading that into there, and you can see then once you've got that folded in, you'll be able to see that that is then going to fold into the crease that we've got there. Really very easy to construct, but once you've made a beautiful gift bag like this, you'll be so thrilled with yourself, and honestly whoever's going to receive this lovely gift is going to be thrilled to receive that too. So I want to place some double-sided tape onto the edge here. You can use wet glue. If you're using wet glue, then sometimes it can be a little bit of a problem with it moving around. I'm just going to neaten that edge off, and I'm going to attach that section, the glue tab, inside. But sometimes when I'm doing it, I would have a little bit of extra wet glue along with the double-sided tape. That's going to help me make sure that I've got a totally excellent firm seal, because remember this is the base of your bag, but also because I've got the double-sided tape, I don't have to worry about that undoing and coming out. And you can do exactly the same on this edge. So we'll have a couple of little bits of double-sided tape and also the wet glue. It's just a little bit of added reassurance, as I say. So take the tape off, you'll be able to see where it's shiny there, and then I'll be able to put my flower soft glue in between there. So that's taking that right up to the edge. Make sure that you've got this edge is going to go to that edge before you press your tab home inside. Okay then, so we can see now how this is going to be constructed easily like that. So it's simply a question of putting some more double-sided tape on the inside, as well as maybe a wet glue. So this is the back of the bag. I've got the double-sided tape along there. I'm also going to put some wet glue in again. Twist that around right up to the outside edge, and then we're going to be able to place that inside, and this is just going to slide into position so you've got a nice neat finish on the bottom. What you can do is get your hand inside and just press that into position. So now then we've got the double-sided tape on this edge. Take that off, make sure you get it right down to the bottom, and what we need to do is make sure that that edge fits precisely onto the edge of your bag before you actually press that into position. So again, get inside the bag, and you can see because we've scored that's going to fold nice and neatly inside there. Exactly the same with this side. Double-sided tape. Once you're happy with the position, put your hand on the inside to make sure all of that has come into contact. Now then, so you can see that we've got this lovely fold here, and then we've got the tab going over the top. What you need to do, you can see the little hole punch lines there for guidance. Now you could have used your brads, but again I'm going to use my hole punch and do both of them together. All of those layers, so you've got the top and also your insides. What I'm then going to do is going to thread some of the ribbon. So again, you can use whatever ribbon is appropriate. This one's quite a lovely loud detail on here, so I'm going to be able to use some of this spotty ribbon, because if we look at the design on collection 10, there's some lovely little spots on the base of the dress here. I'm just going to pull that through there. When I'm pulling it through, I would make sure that I've got the spotty detail going through the back like that, and that we've also got this coming through the front, and then it's just a question of tying me bow like this. So don't forget, this again is just one of 20 collections, so there's always going to be a bag available for you to print and make up for whatever colour is appropriate, whatever gift is appropriate. It could be from your festive giftware, it could be from your beautiful collections that you've got. So just once you're happy with the size of the bow, you can then just cut the ribbons down. If you cut them at a slant, you're using any ribbon that may fray, and that will stop them from fraying. But again, apart from the fact you wouldn't be able to buy anything like this in the shops, think of what it would cost you, even if you could. So we've got this beautiful decorative box, very simply constructed, very easy to make, but with a professional standard from our fabulous giftware range. I hope to see you again with some more tutorials.